Coca-Cola is hiding a secret worth $290 billion. Only two people on Earth know it. They never travel together. If they die, the secret dies with them. And here's the crazy part. They could have legally protected it 139 years ago, but chose not to. This decision broke every business rule, and it's exactly why Coca-Cola dominates today. I'm about to expose the master strategy behind the most protected recipe in human history. Picture this. It's 1886. John Pemberton invents Coca-Cola. He could patent the formula and get 20 years of legal protection. Nobody could copy it. He'd have a monopoly guaranteed by law. But here's the problem. To get a patent, you have to publicly disclose your formula. Every ingredient, every ratio, every process. The government publishes it for the world to see. After 20 years, the patent expires, and anyone can make exact Coca-Cola legally. Pemberton realized this was suicide. Here's why patents were a trap for Coca-Cola. A patent lasts 20 years maximum. In 1906, the Coca-Cola patent would have expired. From that moment, Pepsi, every soda company, every restaurant, every store could legally manufacture identical Coca-Cola. The formula would be public. There'd be no barrier. Coca-Cola would become a generic product like aspirin or cola, which both started as branded products but lost trademark protection and became common words anyone can use. Instead, Coca-Cola chose trade secret protection. They never disclosed the formula. They kept it locked in a vault, literally. Only two people alive know the complete recipe at any time. They never fly on the same plane. If they die, successors are trained separately. The formula is written down and stored in a vault at SunTrust Bank in Atlanta that requires multiple people to open. This isn't paranoia. This is how you protect a trade secret worth billions. Here's the genius of trade secrets versus patents. Patents expire after 20 years. Trade secrets last forever as long as you keep them secret. The formula for Coca-Cola has been protected for 139 years and counting. No expiration date. Competitors have been trying to reverse engineer it for a century. They've failed. Chemical analysis can identify ingredients, but not exact proportions or the specific manufacturing process. Without the formula, you can't make exact Coca-Cola. Now let's talk about what happened to companies that chose patents instead of secrecy. KFC patented some of their processes. Those patents expired. Now anyone can legally use those methods. Pharmaceutical companies patent drugs. After 20 years, generic versions flood the market at 10% of the original price. The brand that spent billions on research and development loses 90% of revenue when the patent expires. That's the patent trap. Coca-Cola avoided this by accepting a different risk. If someone steals the formula or reverse engineers it, they have no legal protection. A patent would let them sue anyone who copies the formula. A trade secret only protects against theft or breach of confidentiality. If a competitor independently figures out the formula through legal means, Coca-Cola can't stop them. But Coca-Cola bet that protecting the secret was easier than the formula was to crack. 139 years later, they were right. Here's how Coca-Cola protects the secret operationally. The formula is divided into components. Different facilities produce different parts. Nobody except the two formula keepers knows how all the pieces fit together. Ingredients are coded. Suppliers don't know what they're supplying or in what ratios. Manufacturing is compartmentalized. Even Coca-Cola employees working in production don't know the complete formula. This is security through fragmentation. They also use aggressive legal contracts. Anyone who works near the formula signs ironclad NDAs, non-disclosure agreements. If you leak the formula, Coca-Cola will bankrupt you with lawsuits. In 2006, 3 people tried to steal the formula and sell it to Pepsi. Pepsi reported them to Coca-Cola and the FBI. All 3 went to prison. Even Coca-Cola's biggest competitor wouldn't touch a stolen formula because the legal and reputational consequences would be devastating. Here's what people don't realize about the Coca-Cola formula. The actual ingredients aren't that secret. We know it contains carbonated water, sugar, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. The secret is in the natural flavors, specifically something called Merchandise 7X. That's the blend of oils and extracts that gives Coke its distinctive taste. The exact combination and ratios are the secret. Without those precise measurements, you can't replicate the flavor. But here's the deeper strategy. Even if someone cracked the formula tomorrow, it wouldn't destroy Coca-Cola. Why? Because the brand is worth more than the formula. Coca-Cola has spent 139 years and hundreds of billions on marketing, distribution, and brand building. The formula creates the product. The brand creates the value. People don't buy Coca-Cola because of what's in it. They buy it because it's Coca-Cola. The emotional connection, the nostalgia, the global presence, that's what you're paying for. Let me prove it. In the 1980s, Coca-Cola got scared that Pepsi was winning taste tests. They reformulated Coca-Cola to taste sweeter, more like Pepsi. They launched New Coke in 1985. The backlash was instant and massive. People revolted. They hoarded old Coke. They protested. Coca-Cola brought back the original formula as Coca-Cola Classic. Just 79 days later, New Coke disappeared. The lesson: people didn't want the best-tasting cola. They wanted Coca-Cola. The brand loyalty was deeper than the product itself. This proves that the formula is important, but the brand is everything. Coca-Cola's decision not to patent wasn't just about protecting the recipe forever. It was about building mystique. The secret formula became part of the brand story. It's marketing gold. Every article, every documentary, every conversation about Coca-Cola mentions the secret formula. That mystery creates intrigue and reinforces the brand as special and unique. You can't buy that kind of marketing. Here's how this strategy plays out financially. Coca-Cola doesn't make money primarily from syrup sales. They make money from brand licensing and concentrate sales. They sell concentrate to bottlers worldwide who add carbonated water and package it. Coca-Cola controls the concentrate formula, which contains the secret ingredients. Bottlers can't make Coca-Cola without buying concentrate from Coca-Cola. This creates a permanent revenue stream. If the formula was patented in 1906, any bottler could make their own concentrate. Coca-Cola would just be another soda brand competing on marketing alone. Let's compare this to other famous trade secrets. KFC's 11 herbs and spices is a trade secret. The recipe is locked in a vault in Kentucky. Only a few people know it. Google's search algorithm is a trade secret. The code is heavily protected and constantly updated. WD-40's formula is a trade secret, never patented. These companies all made the same calculation. The value of secrecy forever outweighs the value of patent protection for 20 years. Here's another brilliant move Coca-Cola made. They trademarked the name Coca-Cola and the distinctive bottle shape. Trademarks, unlike patents, last forever as long as you keep using them and renewing them. So even if competitors could make identical-tasting cola, they couldn't call it Coca-Cola or use the iconic bottle. The brand protection through trademarks is just as important as the formula protection through secrecy. This layered protection strategy makes Coca-Cola almost impossible to replicate. Here's the bottom line. Coca-Cola never patented its formula because patents expire and require public disclosure. By keeping it a trade secret, they've protected it for 139 years with no expiration date. They've built mystique and marketing value around the secrecy. They've layered protection with trademarks on the name and bottle. And they've created a business model where bottlers depend on them for concentrate, ensuring permanent revenue. The formula itself is only part of the value. The brand, built over more than a century, is worth far more. Even if the formula leaked tomorrow, Coca-Cola would survive because people buy the brand, not just the taste. The decision to choose secrecy over patents wasn't just smart, it was the foundation of one of the most valuable brands in history. That's why Coca-Cola never patented its secret formula. It was a master strategy that turned a soda recipe into a $290 billion empire.